Ray Technology Co. Limited, the national certified high-tech enterprise in China, focus on Wi-Fi smart control for 14 years, pioneer in IoT application field. Creator of T2C technology for traditional LED light to be smart. Founded in 2004, Wi-Fi technology is the core, expand to smart control, voice control, and user behavior analysis technology, keep developing and creating in IoT smart industry. Product line includes Wi-Fi smart switch, Wi-Fi plug, LED smart controller board, security system, fast order button, life-saving system, pet feeding, cooking system. We insist on independent development and international strategy. With more than 100 professional engineers, over 50 professional devices, accumulated product, over 200 models, have served more than 1,000 customers all over the world. Our service includes finished product, app development, server build-up, platform design. All products successfully connect to voice control platform such as Amazon Alexa, Google Home. We have own brand, also support OEM and ODM. All the products are with FCC, CE, ROHS certification. Ray will continue providing service and investing in IoT technology, cloud data, and applications. We are building up an ecological chain, smart hardware, platform, industrial. Ray is committed to become the world's leading industrial reformer in the IoT field.